And my name is Neffos X9, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to start off, we will need to open up the settings app, and from here scroll all the way down into About Phone, and then Software Information, and you will see at the top build number. Tap that 7 times. Once you tap it like 3 times, it will start showing a countdown, as you can see. And apparently to enable it, we need to confirm the pattern as long as it's set. I actually have the pattern and fingerprint, so I will have to put it in. And you get a message, you are now a developer. So let's go back. And you have now an additional option here called developer options. You can tap on it and then start changing things that you would like to change. For the normal use, probably the most handy settings in here is the animation time. So we have window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale, and basically you can change them from 1 to, let's say, half or 0, and will remove animation. So everything like the sliding down, fading in and out will be basically instant now. But yeah, that's basically how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.